Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get milk from your goats or deer and then how to turn that fresh milk into delicious butter. First, we need to milk our goat or deer. It's important to approach the animal calmly and gently so you don't startle them. Before you begin, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly and clean all your milking equipment. Now position yourself beside your goat or deer and gently slide your milking pail under their udder. Hold their teat gently near the top and then squeeze them. Pull downward, milking from the top of the teat to the bottom. Repeat this motion, ensuring to milk each teat until the udder is empty. Once you've finished milking, strain the milk through a cheesecloth or filter into a clean container. Now that we have our fresh milk, let's make some butter. Pour the milk into your butter churn. Begin churning and continue until you see the butter separating from the buttermilk. This may take a while, so be patient. Once the butter has separated, carefully drain off all the buttermilk. Now rinse the butter in cold water, gently working it to remove any remaining buttermilk. Form the butter into a block or shape it however you like. At this point, you can add salt to your butter to taste or leave it unsalted. Store your fresh homemade butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.